It's sad, but it happens. Many people take advantage of others to get what they want. If you think this is the case with your girlfriend or wife, watch out for the signs below. If you notice any of them, it is possible that she is with you to gain advantage. You are on the Curious Facts channel, and today you will learn 7 ways to identify a woman who is just using you. 1. Think about your status. What do you have that attracts someone's greed? A person may want to use you for various reasons, from beauty to a good salary or an expensive car. Maybe your influence is the reason, either because you have a big name in a certain area or because you are famous. Nobody needs to be Brad Pitt to be used. Maybe the girl is taking advantage of you in other ways. For example, if only one side does things and you always drive her back and forth or do everything she asks, this may be the case. 2. Assess her desire for social status. Does she only want to go out with you if she is taken somewhere nice, or does she only want to go where you can see her? Perhaps the woman in question wants to meet a colleague in your presence. Observe whether she is more interested in these things than in enjoying time with you. Maybe she just wants a ride or someone to come help her when she needs something. 3. Observe calls with requests. Maybe she only calls when she needs something. Maybe she wants you to fix something or pick something up. Pay attention to the content of her calls and the way she talks to you. Does this woman only call once and always ask for help? Maybe she really doesn't like you. Before you go to the next one, leave a like. And then, did you? Then let's continue. 4. Does the girl really listen to you? When you are on the phone or on a date, notice if she is talking only about herself. If that woman doesn't even care what's going on in your life, chances are she won't last. 5. See if the girl is avoiding commitment. Does she want to leave things open rather than commit and make plans with you? She may want to stay in the loop, but still have an option not to be alone. 6. Pay attention to the way she presents you. People who enjoy being in a relationship don't think before calling each other boyfriend or girlfriend. However, if she doesn't want to take you out in public, maybe she is only in the relationship out of interest. 7. Analyze her disappearances. Does she disappear from the map when you are almost out of money or when your car is in the shop? Be careful if the girl only stays when she needs something. She is sweet when she asks for a favor, and then turns into a rock of ice when she gets what she wants. We have come to the end of another video. We hope that this video was useful for you and that it helped you to identify someone. If you got this far, comment falsity in the comments for us to know, subscribe to the channel, leave the like, and see you in the next video.